Right, it's right now. You don't need footage video putting it on.
Huh?
Let us go. Are you
Nah, I'll just...
Hang on a minute, these aren't listening. You haven't put this back on yet. Where does it go now? It's pumping beautifully.
That's...
I don't know whether this is going in now.
Hope the fucking thing doesn't go woof and then comes off the stand.
Not supposed to.
Come on, baby.
It's supposed to stay in here, mate. What's going on here? Why isn't it screwing in here? What's going on? Yeah, this part of it's supposed to stay on.
Yes.
That's Come on. Has it stopped clicking? Should be. Just wait till it's pumped it all the way up. Because it'll stop when it's full. Can't smell anything leaking anywhere. Stop. Whoa! Oh, shit. There'll be tons in there. Get away. Nah. Everything's plugged on, isn't it? I don't understand why that fuel pump hasn't stopped. It usually pumps up till it's full and then it stops. And I put fuel in it so it should kick. Give it a go now. Oh.
There we go.
Not too long. Hang on, watch out.
I'd say it's a little engine that could, but with a V8, you can't really say a little engine that could, can you?
Clicking. It should fucking. Let's put a little bit more in here to get it to fire. I mean, the carby hasn't been used for 1,000 fucking years. Way you go. Pump the shit out of it. I even got the choke on. Obviously the fucking automatic choke doesn't work. Fucking hell.
Hold 1 sec on.
It's got to go fucking one way or the other. It's trying to run. Whoop, whoop. Fuck me. Way you go. Yeah, I think it needs charging a bit more too in a minute.
More grunt.
Give it another go.
Not enough power. Battery wise.
It nearly went.
Yeah,
And
I
we're
know.
pouring fuel in the fucking thing. Has it stopped clicking yet? That's why is it doing that? Why isn't the fuel pumping and stopping? I don't get that. They're supposed to pump. It's almost like it's not picking up the fuel. I hope with the tank hanging upside down all that time that the fucking thing didn't get... Yeah, I don't
Starting
know.
up there.
Well, I don't know how they work. It's almost like it's not picking any fuel up. Just keep pumping. Hang on. We're going to have to charge it again for a bit. It's recording now. I don't know, what is it? Can you see anything?
No.
Me.
It goes
What's it
to...
actually coming on? Whoa, get away, holy shit.
Kick her in the guts.
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on, you bastard. It's got to be a fast idle, but I don't know why. That car needs to be ready to go. Who knows where something will go. Driving down the highway now wouldn't matter, but you need to go and back her off. Yeah, when it's done. That's alright, leave it.
New calipers?
He had 2 or 3 barks and then got up like this back down. I know he was like, he had a bark, big bark. Yeah, only when ridge bark.
So we're going there.
Rottweiler costs fucking...
So what the carrier should be doing...
Oh, you want to put the calipers in.
Oh, you might as well. I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, well someone's got to be here.
Yeah.
Someone, you can control whoever's there. They can fill this up.